Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to change the lock screen style on Android. Changing the lock screen style on Android can give your device a fresh look and make it feel more personalized. Many Android devices allow you to customize the lock screen's clock, wallpaper, notifications, and other visual elements. The exact options may vary depending on your phone's manufacturer and Android version. To begin, unlock your Android device, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Wallpaper and Style, Lock Screen, or a similar option. Choose Lock Screen Style, Colors, or an equivalent setting if available. Then go to Styles, browse the available lock screen styles and themes, tap a style to preview how it will look, review any customization options for the selected style. Now tap on the clock, go to the style section, tap on the clock style you want. Now go to the font and color, adjust the clock appearance if desired, then go to wallpapers. Choose a lock screen wallpaper if you want a new background. Tap apply, save, or done to confirm your changes. Press the power button to lock your device. Turn the screen back on and verify that the new lock screen style is active. Many Android devices from Samsung Electronics and phones running stock Android from Google offer lock screen customization features, though the available styles might differ by model. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.